supporting Kofi. Oh. Welcome to another edition of Trading Psychology. I'm the host with the most, Mr. PTP, Kofi Agyemang, and I'm so excited to be with you representing AME Finance Academy and my team, Team Excel. This is called HODL. I don't even know whether you can even say that word. So I'm going to ask everyone in the group chat, what does HODL stand for? Let me know. What does it stand for? So Jessica Walker wrote, hold on for dear life. Abby says, hold on for dear life. Pammy B says, hold on for dear life. Now, what does that mean? What does that mean? Hold on for dear life. Hold on for dear life. Don't let go. Hold on for dear life. I'm here to encourage every single one of you on today's call and all of the people that are going to watch this recording back. Hold on for dear life. Pam says this. Thank you, Pam. Pam says, don't give up. Pam can read my mind straight away. Don't give up. And I'm hoping I can encourage someone on this call not to give up. Now, let's have a quick look at where HODL came from. So I'm just going to share my screen. Have a look. Let's have a look. Can you guys see my screen? Put number 1 if you can see it. All right, amazing. Let's read it. It says, hold on for dear life. The term HODL, this is why it's so funny, originated as a misspelling of the word hold. Ultimately, the acronym hold on for dear life. If we read further down, it says, HODL is meant to encourage people to not impulsively sell when a cryptocurrency drops dramatically or rises to become highly profitable to sell. HODL also acts as an acronym, as we know, for hold on for dear life. All right, let's read it again. It's meant to encourage people to not impulsively. In the group chat, please write the word impulsivity. Is that even a word? I'll just write impulsively. Impulsively. It's meant to encourage people to not impulsively. Can someone type in Google, see if impulsivity is a word? Or have I just made it up? Impulsively. This is what I want to talk to some people about today. I'm talking to myself as well. Impulsively. You don't want to do anything via impulse. Can I speak to my people today? Can I speak to real people, real traders? Can we be vulnerable today? How many people here have impulsively sold on their trade? Just write me. If you've impulsively, Bex is like, oh, from a cognitive viewpoint, impulsivity is a word, is the inability to inhibit behavioral impulses and thoughts. It considers impulse control as an important component. Jeez. So the word I made up is not even a made up word, it's a real word. Jan says, I've been stupidly impulsive on other things. Oname says me. Yeah. Well, no one else has impulsively sold a trade. Oh, I now see I see Vanessa, I see Joy, I see Charity, I see Lakeisha. Okay. This is what we have to curb. Now, I want to honor Ogades, which is Desmond Ame of AME Finance Academy. He says, broke people make broke decisions. Please write that in capital letters. Write this down. Write this down. Broke people make broke decisions. I'm going to challenge someone's theories right now. I might offend a few people. You may not like what I have to say. But can I be real? Can I be real? Yeah, right. Let's focus on what Des has said. He says, broke people make broke decisions. Please tell us, and I want people to be open here. I want people to give me reasons. Why do people impulsively sell on their crypto assets, impulsively sell on their trades, or impulsively buy on their trades? Give me some reasons, please. Okay, so Abby says fear and FOMO. Jan says quick buck. Woo! Okay, I'm dropping a lot of nuggets already, and I want you to just to follow where I'm going with this. Okay, Pam says get rich quick. Charity says FOMO. So for those that are new, FOMO simply stands for fear of missing out. Pam says get rich quick. And I'm going back to the point of broke people make broke decisions. If you knew that you were able to get a great return by HODL, holding on for dear life, would you do it? If I could predict the future and tell you, guys, if you hold on for dear life, and I told you that, would you be prepared to hold on and see a better return than being impulsive? Well, Lakeisha says, me personally, lack of respect for money and control. Wow. Guys, let me know. If you were told that if you held on for dear life, you'll get a better return, would you be able to do it? Right, I'm seeing yes. Now, this is what's crazy about trading and traders. We know the answer to our problem, yet we have the inability to comprehend it. There's something called delayed gratification. Who's heard of delayed gratification? Let me see. Who has heard of delayed gratification? Okay. People are saying me, I've heard of delayed gratification. How many of us are operating from the standpoint of delayed gratification? And be real. And if you said yes, you have heard it, please write no if you are not fulfilling that. Thank you, Pammy. Realness. Thank you, Jan. Thank you, Joy. Thank you, Jessica Walker. Thank you. See, what's happening is this. Remember, Ogade said, broke people make broke decisions. Remember that? I'm now talking about delayed gratification. I'm talking about holding on for dear life. And I'm saying to you, if you had the opportunity, if I told you beforehand, if you just hold on, you'll get a better return, would you do it? So what's happening is this. The truth of the matter is, we know up here, delayed gratification is the best thing. Problem, down here, in your subconscious, your heart is your sub, means under. Your subconscious, you can't comprehend that or fathom that. So what happens is, we've discussed the word FOMO, fear of missing out. So you jump in the trade. It hasn't hit all your 5-point confirmations, but you take the trade anyway for HFX. The Bollinger Band hasn't crossed, or it's not the stochastic is not pointing down, yet you take the trade. I'm talking to someone here. All your market sentiments haven't lined up, yet you take the trade. All the confirmations haven't met, yet you take the trade. we talk about holding on for dear life. Some of you can't even hold on for 2 minutes. Listen, I'm preaching to myself as well. I keep it real 100. Am I talking to real people? Some of us can't even hold a trade for 5 minutes. That's why you go to HFX. You can't hold it. So you're like, oh my gosh, HFX, quick, quick, quick. If I said an hour, you'll be sweating. You'll be sweating. You can't even hold a trade for, hey, I tell you one thing. I tell you one thing. And people that know me well have seen a transition and a change in my trading. I love and respect HFX. And I've even got a strategy that I'm working on, the DLO X for HFX. But for FRX, I'm taking my time. I'm taking my time. And I want to have the understanding, Kofi, hold on for dear life. Can I just share my screen with you? Can I share a trade that I marked up? Didn't take, keep it real. But I marked up, missed the entry. But I'm actually asking myself, and I'm keeping it real, would I or could I have been able to hold on for dear life? Can I be vulnerable? Can I share one of my trades, guys? Can I show you? Let me see. In the group chat. Let me see if you give me permission. Yes, coach. You guys are going to be blown away. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Guys, can you see my chart? Let's put number 1 if you see my chart. All right. Look at this trade, guys. Look at this trade. Keisha, look at this trade. The trade that I marked up that I didn't take. Let me go back in time so you can see. So you can see what I saw. Y'all gonna be crazy. You're like, coach, if I took this trade, oh dear. If I took this trade, who can see this? Look at my entry, guys. Sniper entry. Look at my entry here. Entry. Did I take this trade? Hey, did your bar Kofi take this trade? No, I didn't. I don't know what I was doing. I marked it up. I've just been chilling. I've just been relaxing. Now, please, let's talk about the stop loss to the TP. This is why I'm trying to encourage someone about HODL. Hold on for dear life. Stop loss, 12 pips. 12 pip stop loss. Hey. Let's have a look. I'm here helping someone. You see, back testing will really, really help you. I promise you. Let's have a look. To be honest, I shouldn't have shown you this, the ending before the beginning. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this trade. Who would have held on here? Who would have held on? Look. This is ridiculous. Okay. If half of you, if he's playing games like this, you'll be like, I'm closing this trade. He's playing games. But guys, look at it. This is ridiculous. Playing games, but it's still moving up. Now, let me stop this. Get to my point. No, this thing is not stopping. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Guys, look at that. Anyway, it gets all the way to here. Look at the 454 pips. Hmm. 454 pips. I'm trying to help someone. 454 pips. So when I'm talking to you, I'm talking from experience. That's why, listen to this. That's why I missed that. I'm patiently waiting. Guys, I'm gonna tell you something. I'm patiently waiting because once I see my entry, I'm taking it all the way down. Let's talk. If I get back to where we are currently, let's go in the 1 hour. If I get to where we are currently, look at this. Guys, I'm not playing games. Can you see my arrow here? Can you see this arrow here? Look at this arrow. I've already planned. Once it breaks this level, I'm taking it all the way down. Who's understanding? Who's understanding where I'm coming from for hold on for dear life? I'm taking this baby all the way down. Look at this. I missed it once, but I promise you I'm not missing it again. Once it breaks this level, I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to take this NZDJPY back to this place, and I'm going to hold on for dear life. Now, there's multiple trade entries around this stuff. Look, there's one here. But I want big boy move. Like, I might even, when this retests, I might take it down to here and like, listen, guys, I'm making that trade back. Look at it, guys. It's going to come back down. Look at the entry that I missed. So I'm waiting patiently. I'm waiting patiently. Hey. Stop share. Guys, I'm waiting patiently. I'm waiting patiently. Am I helping someone here? But the question I'm asking, I'm asking even myself, is would I have held it? Or would I have closed early? Would I have held it? Or would I have closed early? Now, let's be honest. If you would have held it, put a number 1. Okay, Jackie. Yeah, I know Jackie would have because she's a swing trader. Anyone else? Lakeisha. Okay. So Siobhan says this week, yes. Last week, no. So Siobhan, please tell me why this week, yes, but last week, no. Is it because I've said something? I want to know. Keeping it real. Sassy says, nope, would have taken 80% profit. Amazing. Thank you, Sassy. Keeping it real. Pammy B says, I would have closed on day 1. Forget about it. Day 1, she's like, I'm done. Wow. So Siobhan says that trading video you sent last week, holding is now my weekly focus. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And I believe that was I think that was Pammy's video. But yeah, guys, it's serious. Let me tell you something. And I'm coming for Jackie Harrikis. Jackie, I've been so much more chilled with holding it for long term, like just relaxed. I'm not always looking at the charts. Like, I don't know whether I'm evolving as a trader, but I just get on my days and do other stuff. Because once that breaks my level, or I see the retest at the previous level, I'm gonna jump in that trade and forget about it. I'll forget about it and just do what I need to do. Because I know I've been waiting for so long, about a week and a half. I know once it breaks that level, it's going down. And if it doesn't go down, it's some trickery, it's some witchcraft. It's some listen, if it breaks that level retest and it doesn't go down, it's some witchcraft. Because I've been waiting for the longest. I've been waiting for the longest. Guys, I want to have that testimony where I say to you guys, I caught 300 pips with a 12 pip stop loss. Who wants that testimony? Who wants that testimony? You caught 300 pips with a 12 pip stop loss. Guys, I've made a decision. Right? That I'm going to become a 7-figure trader. A 6-figure trader first and 7-figure. I'm not talking about having a big account to start off with. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about, remember I've said about a small account and growing it. I've decided that it doesn't matter how long it takes. I want to have a testimony. Because what I'm seeing from people, literally, what I'm seeing from people is I'm not seeing people hold on for dear life. I'm not seeing people hold on for dear life. I'm seeing people struggle with a few trades, can't cope, and say trading doesn't work. Guys, am I talking to real people? Who here have got team members that have said, I can't do this trading stuff, I'm quitting? How many people are not holding on to dear life? Because this will pay off. This skill set will pay off. You have to work it. I'm going to say it again. You, and I'm pointing my finger and I'm pointing to you. You know who I'm talking to. You have to work at it. Jan says, I this week have had doubts, but I'm here. I'm not giving up. I need and want it. Don't give up. This is the thing. People, remember I was talking about delayed gratification? People want it now. People want the microwave generation now. But I've made up in my mind, I've determined in my spirit and in my heart, I will not quit ever. I'm going to have this as a generational thing that my children's children shall be blessed from it. If I took that trade, the one I just showed you, and I HODL, my belief level would have gone through the roof. Even watching the trade, because I was like, oh, is it going to come back down so I can get in again? But even my belief level went up to the point I'm just chilling and I'm waiting for it to break that level, and I'm taking it all the way down. But this is 3 years, as Pammy B said, this is 3 years. Wait, Pammy says, it's either spend a few years getting this. Oh, look at this nugget. Listen to the Pammy B. It's either spend a few years getting this or work till retirement. Either way, the time will pass. Jeez. Junior says, this is my passion. I'm not going anywhere. I love that, Junior. But people are fickle. Vanessa says, sometimes I quit in my head, but then I think about what I've learned. I cannot quit on myself. No, don't. Everyone, come back to this video. And it's entitled HODL. So you're going to remember what this is called. Hold on for dear life. Jan says, I've got to the stage of working many hours for a little money, but with this, I can enjoy my life. I love that. You see, you want to understand that this is a skill set. And once you've mastered yourself, you can take this to the moon. You can take this to the moon. I'm going to share something with you quickly. You can take this to the moon. Let's go to share screen. Look at this beautiful picture. Look at this scripture. Look at this. Can you guys see my screen? It should say Proverbs 13, verse 11. Lorraine says, been in 2 years, and so agree, have been working for 37 years and have never been paid what she's worth. What I love about trading, you can take your financial situation into your hands. Okay, guys, just put number one, if you can see my screen. Please, I need to know that you can see my screen there. All right, thank you. All right, Proverbs 13, verse 11. It says, listen to this, listen to this. Dishonest money dwindles away. Listen. I'm talking to someone. Dishonest in our trading world is you not following your rules. Anything that goes against your plan is gambling. Yeah, I said it. Anything that goes against your trading plan is gambling. So this put that together. Dishonest money dwindles away, but listen to this. This is where I want you to focus. But whoever gathers money little by little makes it grow. I just want to stop there. Dishonest money dwindles away, but whoever gathers money little by little, otherwise we say small, makes it grow. Pastor Henry says, Proverbs 13:11 is a part of my trading plan. Love that. Oh, guys, there's so much revelation in this. There's so much revelation in this. Guys, who's getting some value here? Who's got some value? Who's understanding? Don't let go of this community that we have. Not everybody on this, I'm being real, not everybody on this call will be here this time next year. Not everybody on this call will be here this time next year. But guess what? I'ma still show up. Because holding on to dear life, this company has been such a blessing, guys. I've now, I can't even make income claims, but this company has been a blessing to me tremendously. And I've made up in my mind that this skill set is going to be for generations to come. Not everyone will be here this time next year because you haven't developed your mindset to be at a place that you're going to hold on for dear life. Because when the thoughts say quit, give up, if you haven't disciplined your inner man, your inner spirit, your subconscious, you will hear the big voice and you'll quit. How many of you have wanted to quit? I've put my hand up. I wanted to quit last year. I told Pammy I wanted to quit. Pammy just gave me a slap around my face. Not literally. But the same lyrics I used on her, she used on me. I wanted to quit. Can you just imagine me if I quit? None of this will be here anymore. Listen, I made up in my mind, never. Because the good book says this, a good man leaves an inheritance for his children's children. What does that mean? So the inheritance is going to be property, it's going to be land, it's going to be the financial resources, it's going to be the tips and the techniques. Because there's no point, listen to me carefully, leaving money, physical fiat currency, to your children with not developing the skill set for them to maintain it and to multiply it. Who just got a nugget from that? If you quit, it stops with you. Me, I'm never quitting because I'm going to make sure I see those 7 figures. And I will say it's because I was consistent. It was because I was consistent. When everyone left the company, I was still there. When it went down to 10 people, God forbid, I was still there. And you can say Kofi was doing trading psychology all the way from 2019 or 2020 to 2028. He was still doing it every single week. That's why he's a multi-millionaire, because there's multiple streams of income. And I'm here to encourage someone today, HODL. Kofi saying HODL. Jeez, I'm talking to someone, HODL. Because I'm gonna go through people. Listen, I'm capping like TD Jakes. Sassy, Jan, Abby, Babs, Bex, Charity, Christiana, Denise, everybody on this call, Desi, Emmanuel, Francis, Henry, Jackie, Jessica, Josh, Joy, Junior, Karina, Crystal, Lakeisha, Lloyd, Lorraine, Magnifique, Miss Jackie, Nicole, Nikki, Oname, Pam, Siobhan, Tay, Terrence, Vanessa, Pammy B. I promise you, if you hold on for dear life, if you apply, now let me tell you, if you apply the teachings, if you go back over my training psychology, if you listen to Mark Douglas, if you study to be approved, if you apply the teachings, you shall become financially free. You shall become financially independent. It has to happen, but you have to adopt the spirit of wisdom, which means to practically apply what you've heard. Practically apply what you've heard. So come onto my calls and then apply it. Guys, for me, this is ministry. I'm ministering to people through the power of financial literacy. If you apply what you have heard, you shall see the results. That's why I'm speaking to you and I'm saying boldly, I'm gonna hit 7 figures through trading alone, because I'm not quitting. And whatever I've got to do to subjugate my flesh, whatever I've got to do to subjugate my level of thinking, I will do. You can see that I've evolved in my trading strategy and my trading philosophy. I'm studying DeLorean. I'm studying exit strategies. I'm studying smart money. I'm utilizing price track. And now I'm even going into the realm of HODL. I'm just enjoying and relaxing. My mentor, my coach, Ralph Danquah, he's a long-term trader. You see, you constantly evolve, you constantly grow. You should be constantly abounding like this, constantly. So how I was trading 3 years ago, I'm now switching a few things up because I'm growing as a person. But I'm gonna catch that trade, that big 300 pips. I'm gonna catch it. If I can't catch it in one go, I'll catch it in multiple ways all the way down. Pammy B says this: if you're not growing, you're dying. Jeez! If you are not growing, you're dying. So I'm going to encourage every single person on this call. This platform that we have, there's so many ways to make money. But the question is, who are you becoming? Like right about now, I'm in the crypto space. I never ever thought I would be in the crypto space. I never ever thought that. But listening to Pammy B, listen, guys, I call Pammy B, who agrees with me? I call Pammy B the fountain of all knowledge. Who agrees with me? If you know her, you will know you've got a question, she has the answer. And if you've got a question, if she doesn't even know the answer, she'll find the answer. Right? So Pammy B has been telling me about crypto for the longest time. She even told me to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, because me, I'm stubborn. But I listen to what she says. And she's getting all her information. And I'm like, Pammy, where did you find that out? How do you know this? Everything that we have is all on this platform. Guys, type in the group chat where she's finding all these answers from. What package do we have in the crypto space that are talking about these See, Queen Sassy was been up on it from time. She's like, DCX, baby. DCX, baby. Yeah? Get DCX. See, even Queen Sassy's been dropping gems from day dot. Yeah, she's the OG. Sassy has been on DCX for the longest. Yeah? Dropping those gems. I'm now starting to understand, because I'm taking it seriously, guys. I'm understanding Curtis Cobain. Guys, write his name in the group chat. You know? We've got Curtis Cobain. We've got Crypto Picasso. You know, Crypto Picasso, if you want to trade in crypto, he's the guy. We've got Sean Ogontosin. Yeah, he's from Trade House. So, right, Curtis Cobain. We've got Sean. Okay, we've got Mark. We've got Mike Sotero. Yeah, thank you, Sassy. Sotero, Defy Mike. Now, a lot of these guys, especially Mike, they are in Forex as well. But they're killing it in the crypto space. But then we've got Mike Navarrete, Zach and Jordan. Now, they teach smart money as well. But they're called the Accelerators. They have an amazing NFT bootcamp. Now, if Queen Sassy is endorsing them, we have to jump on this ship. Listen, we've got to jump on the moving ship. We have to go to where the sale is going. Listen, Sassy says their bootcamp is fire. See, I'm starting to realize the whole point of this conversation, HODL, came from mistake and by mistake in the crypto space. Now, we need to HODL onto this academy and to this platform and to the crypto world. HODL onto DCX. If you haven't upgraded, upgraded. Oh, not upgrade, upgrade. Denise said I was losing faith until I jumped into DCX. Well, I'm glad you found that faith back. Denise says DCX is bae. All right, better get that DCX NFT. Now, some of you don't even know what NFTs are, non-fungible tokens. Now, listen, the best person to explain that will be Queen Sassy, will be Pammy B, or just go to Go Live. So all I want to say as I wrap up on this call is we have powerful platforms. I Am Mastery Academy is a powerful platform. No matter what other platforms you're a part of, this one right here is generational. Jan says there are so many phrases I don't know yet. That's why it's good to be here. DCX, digital currency, let's go. And Jan, upgrade to Elite Pack and go through the DCX Academy. There's so much you can learn and pass on. There's so much grace and favor on this platform. There's so much education. There's so much education. And even Pastor Henry saying stocks is coming as well. So I want to encourage every single person on this call. Don't be like some of the others who went, I can't do it, and quit. I want you to be a part of this platform whereby you get favor and grace, that you have the discipline to keep continuing no matter the circumstances. You get to the point where you understand who you are. You understand that you are a magnificent trader and you have a target of 6 figures or 7 figures, whatever. And you're going to hold on to this platform, to this community. You're going to hold on for dear life. Because I promise you, if you apply what you've heard, the results are coming. Well, Charity is not going to lie. I think I was today years old when I found out what HODL is. So basically, Charity is basically saying she just found out today. And she's been a part of the platform for the longest time. I'm here to encourage every single person on this call. I'm proud of you all for being here consistently each week. I celebrate your consistency. Now I want us to win, but we need a mindset shift. We need to be able just to hold on for dear life to our trades, to us studying, to go live. And I promise you, I promise, if you apply what you've heard from all the Go Live educators, from yours truly, you'll become successful. Guys, my name is Kofi Ejiman. I thank you for today. I'm glad that you got some revelation, some nuggets. If you got some value, put number 7 in the group chat. Wow, I'm seeing the 7s flying. Thank you, thank you. So before we wrap up, just give me one nugget you've taken from today. Give me one nugget. And wow, I'm seeing the 7s fly in. Give me one nugget that you've taken from today. And also, Janet's like HODL. Also, promote this in the group chat. If people are missing out, like people need to jump on these calls. This is the most important call of the week. Pammy B says, delayed gratification is the best thing. Joy says, broke people make broke decisions. I didn't even touch base on that. Basically, what I was going to say, when you have a broke mindset, you quit easily. When you have an entrepreneurial mindset and a growth mindset, you will hold up for dear life. That's what I wanted to say. Broke people make broke decisions. Missed the beginning of the time difference. Oh, sorry, sir. Pastor Henry, so sorry. Yeah. But this is going to be on YouTube. Thank you, Kofi. Thank you, Sassy. Thank you, Pammy. Never give up. That's it. Don't give up, Magnifique. Charity, can't quit, won't quit. Charity, I need to message you because I haven't responded to your message. Forgive me. Wisdom means to practically apply what you've heard. Love that. Confirmation that I need to focus on HODL. That's it. Love that. Emmanuel says, I'll think of it each time I struggle and carry on. That's it. Charities grow little by little. That's it. Pastor Henry says, I'm here not to quit. I'm not here to quit. God's speaking through today. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Siobhan. Don't quit. Consistency is the key. Charity, yes, so delay gratification. Guys, I love you. Thank you for your time. My name is Mr. PTP. I will see you next week. Oh, one last thing. This week, we have our convention. We have the I Am Mastery convention. We all need to be on it. Now, listen, what we're going to try and do, we're waiting for a link. If we can get a link, we're going to do